The summary of my life 2 years ago, if I remember well. Who I am? My name is Rigoberto. I'm 50 years old. I have two children. My work is great at Environmental Laboratory of Corporación Autónoma Regional de Cundinamarca, CAR, and I'm so happy there. Good trip. Last year, in the month of January, I went with my family to Medellin. We stayed there for 15 days. I went with my wife, my three children, and my mother-in-law. I like it because there were a lot of places to visit at homes of relatives. We went to 8 towns at Antioquia department, all beautiful places like El Peñón or Botero Museum. The weather there. The weather in Medellin is cool in the morning and in the sunset, but in the midday it's sunny. Some days it's cloudy or rainy, but usually it's a fine weather. This city is named the City of Eternal Spring. My recommendation for visit Medellin. What people should to do there? Enjoy the travel. Should eat all the food. Should visit the towns near. Visit El Peñón, Botero Museum, and all in the city. But the best is your people. The paisa is a great person. The trip that I dream. I want to go to the Patagonia in Argentina, begin in Chile, and after that cross lakes until find the White Mountain. And if I have money and time, take a plane to visit the Antarctica. Will be very cold, but it's once in the life.